At Gmmco, we believe every machine has more to give, and every customer deserves more in return. Instead of retiring older machines, we rebuild them carefully, precisely, sustainably. It's not a compromise, it's a smarter choice. Up to 70% lower cost and performance that rivals new. Because when we rebuild, we don't just restore, we re-engineer. Every machine that is scheduled for rebuild goes through multiple quality gates, ensuring it meets the highest standards of performance, reliability, and safety. Our experts disassemble every unit down to its core, inspect every component, and replace what's needed with genuine CAT parts. Here, precision meets power long before a machine ever hits the field. From rebuilds to diagnostics, everything we do is backed by data, expertise, and a relentless drive to innovate. At Gmmco, we're building a future where machines last longer, perform better, and help our customers do more with less.